Welcome back to the little watch box. Today we are going to be talking about the Tag Heuer Grand Carrera Calibre 36 RS model CAV 5115. A phenomenal watch with a very innovative caliper reading scale to help measure down to 1/10 of a second. The watch will be on sale on Chrono24 and Ebay. And as usual, please leave a like and subscribe if you appreciate this video. The Tag Heuer Grand Carrera Calibre 36 is a masterpiece of horological engineering and timeless elegance. This isn't just a watch, it's a statement, a testament to precision and a symbol to unparalleled craftsmanship. Since this watch has an automatic winding movement, we will start as usual by showing the functionality of the rotor. The second hand is stopped and as the watch is unwound. So let's look at it. Let's take the watch out. And let's try to focus, because actually the seconds on this watch is this linear scale. So it's not the usual dial going around, but it's a kind of linear scale. It is, as I see, it's very, very difficult, but you see it's the red line, it's about there. And let's shake it a little. And it should start running. As you see, the red end, it's moving. Okay. Let's see, let's take the watch out. So let's see if you can see it better. Okay, and it's the rotor on the back, you can see through the see-through case. Really, really nice made, yeah. So now that we have seen that the second immediately starts running as the rotor goes into action. This watch comes with the two original Tag Heuer straps and bracelet. There is this one which is mounted on now. It's a rubber one, perforated, very racing like sport, which is actually the one I prefer, with this very nice handling here with the Tag Heuer and the screw. I think it is my preferred, and of course it is a folding clasp as usual. Okay, otherwise there is also the original stainless steel bracelet, which is also very nice, and it is also a folding clasp. So everything very robust and very well made. So, and this is corresponded to two different models. The stainless steel is the model ending with the BA0902, and the rubber model is the one ending with FT6019. By the way, this watch has been totally serviced in 2022. So it is recent, and this is still a good at least 3 years before it should be serviced again. At the heart of this watch, it lies the Calibre 36 RS movement, which is a movement actually based on the legendary Zenith El Primero 400. It is operating at an impressive 36,000 vibration per hour. So not the usual 28,800, but 36,000, which this movement ensures that the Grand Carrera can measure time with an accuracy of actually 1/10 of a second. Reading 1/10 of the second is on a dial is not an easy task, and therefore Tag Heuer has devised this internal caliber bezel, which you see here, this one, and can be controlled by the crown at 10 o'clock. And makes it much easier to read the time with 1/10 of a second. I can try to show it to you. So if we start the chronometer, and you see it running. Chronometer again, it's running. Let's stop it. Okay, if now we wanted to see, yeah. If now we wanted to see how much is it, you can see that the seconds are in between the two. So it's difficult to see. This is very close actually to see to the full second, but just an example. What you do is that you then rotate the scale, the caliber, so that you align the caliber with the seconds, like this. And then you can see which of you see the scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's a 1/10 of a second. You see which one of these align with, completely align with one of the seconds actually. And you can see that the one it's past, the 2 is a little bit, the 3 actually align. So that means that the time that we measure here was 3/10 of a second. Okay. So this is how you use the caliber to make it easier to read. I mean, the hand it's moving, as I said, at 36,000, which matches 1/10 of a second. So you can also see by your eyes if you can. Otherwise, you can use the caliber to help you exactly define the time reading. So if we look then at the chronograph, we can, as usual, start chronograph, stop, and reset. The usual functionalities. The chronograph is COSC certified, which guarantees that this watch meets the highest standard of precision and reliability. The watch case is a very robust 43 millimeter stainless steel, really nice, with some surfaces, some details which are polished and some which are brushed. Extremely beautiful. The chronometer buttons have these large flat buttons, which reminds really in style with the racing watch. Yeah. The of course the crystal is sapphire with double anti-reflective treatment, and the same is on the back, where we have a see-through case, a really nice see-through case. And you can see all the details of the Zenith movement, which is really beautiful. The watch weighs just a little bit over 190 grams, so it is has a substantial feel. It's good. It feels good on a wrist, and it's extremely high quality build of this watch. The watch then has two rotating subdials. The one at 3 o'clock shows the minutes of the chronograph, and the one at 6 o'clock shows the hours of the chronograph. Those are unique features which not only enhance the watch functionalities, but also add to its aesthetic appeal, and again to the racing look of the watch. Then there is, as usual, as I showed before, the crown. When you pull it completely out, you change the date, and you will say, oh, isn't the opposite? And if you put it in the middle, then you adjust the time, and then you will think, oh, isn't the opposite as it used to be? Yes, that's true, it is, and that it's because it is based on the Zenith, all Zenith El Primero movement are acting this way, the opposite. You pull it completely out for the date, and you put it midway to set up the date, the time. Sorry. Yeah, I don't think there is much more I can say about this watch. We will conclude looking at the dark shots for the Luma. I hope you have enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.